Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Wan Ju on behalf of the team of New Technology on Medical Diagnosis and Treatment Online Product Launch. I wish to express our appreciation and thank for joining us today. Hsinchu Science Park includes the largest and most complete medical industry cluster in Taiwan. Today, we invite 8 leading companies from Hsinchu Science Park presenting their cutting-edge and innovative solutions for medical and healthcare, and showing you the diversified technical power of the industry. To begin with, please welcome the organizer of the event, Director General of Hsinchu Science Park Bureau, Wayne Wang, to give us an opening remarks. Mr. Wang, please.
Distinguished guests, journalists, ladies and gentlemen, have a nice day. I'm Wayne Wang, Director General of Hsinchu Science Park Bureau. On behalf of the organizer of this event, I would like to welcome you to attend the online live stream presentation of medical devices manufacturers at the Hsinchu Science Park. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, the pandemic brings a human tragedy and leads to a severe impact on the global economy. A number of businesses hurt a lot in the outbreak. Medical devices makers, on the other hand, play a crucial role in the meantime, as experiences in fighting SARS in 2003. Taiwan has been well alert and has taken preventive measures to encounter against a large-scale influence, as the entire world is still struggling in COVID-19 crisis. Taiwan, on the other hand, is comparatively safe and eager to share its capacities and experiences to help and work with global peers to search for biomedical solutions. Medical devices makers at the Hsinchu Science Park mainly focus on advanced and innovative medical equipment, research and development. Hsinchu Science Park so far includes the largest and most complete medical industry cluster in Taiwan. Today, there are 16 leading biomedical devices making companies in diversified technology fields present here, and we would like to show their brilliant invention to you. Hsinchu Science Park has been eagerly developing biomedical industry in recent years. Biomedical industry has turned out to be the fastest growing industry at the Hsinchu Science Park. Currently, more than 130 manufacturers move in the science park. In 2019, turnover of biomedical industry exceeds $450 million, and the compound growth rate over the past 5 years reached 8.2%. In 2019, the Hsinchu Biomedical Branch of National Taiwan University Hospital opened, and the second biotechnology buildings at the biomedical parks was completed recently. A research and development platform was formed, where function of clinical translation center at the hospital can be fully utilized, and new drugs or technology development by biomedical companies can be used for clinical trial at the hospital, which shortens the test time and enhance a vertical ecosystem integrations, linking up the advantage of high-tech industries at the Hsinchu Science Park and solidifying a benchmark biomedical research and development powerhouse in Taiwan. Thank you for your time and your warm participation. We sincerely hope Hsinchu Science Park can help connect you with Taiwanese companies for seamless cooperation on the medical devices and biomedical technologies. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wang, for the inspirational opening. Advanced biomedical technology focuses on developing and producing biomaterials for 3D printing use. The company offers FDA, MAF-registered medical-grade 3D printing filaments for those who are using 3D printing technology in biomedical field. Next, let's welcome Advanced Biomedical Technology to show their advanced products.
I'm a CEO and founder of Advanced Biomedical Technology. We founded our company in 2017, and right now we have our facility for raw material production, and we also have a GMP for further medical device development. Our company focusing on medical-grade biodegradable 3D printing material, and we also provide a contract manufacturing service for medical implant to customers. For past decade, we know in medical implant, we need to use injection molding and raw material to make a lot of implant. But it takes time, and you know the time consuming is still a problem. So in our system, we provide a raw material in medical grade, and we provide a medical grade printing platform for the real customized medical implant. Mayfila is our brand name from Advanced Biomedical Technology. We produce the raw material within several portions. We blend with medical grade polymer, we call it polycaprolactone, and we also blending with bioceramics in different ratio. So right now we have a full category with different parts, so you can utilize the filament with dental application, neurosurgery, and medical beauty, and also can apply for the orthopedics. You can using our filament to produce the prototype for animal study, and after finish your verification, you can use our filament into the real production. We offer the Mayfila within several types, including biodegradable and non-degradable. Right now we have a full series with FDA MF license. In our company portfolio, we not only provide a medical grade filament, we also provide a customized medical implant prototyping service. Because we have our medical grade polymer, and we also validate our 3D printer. So we have a whole medical device design history file, and we know how to validate with your need. Just get one clinical idea, we can provide a prototyping service and the design cycle, and we can do in the iteration following with the medical device product circulation. We can offer the new device prototyping service from CAD/CAM service through the 3D printing model. So once more, we can offer the medical grade filament with our design, so you don't worry about the mass production. We're doing the turnkey service, and we also comply with the ODM service. Compared to the current medical device design cycle, at least 30 months to produce a real medical implant. In our design cycle, we only take 1.5 years. So we can accelerate the prototyping cycle, and we can use the right method to validate with your product. We try to consult with a medical device solution provider. They have a medical 3D printer. The first one priority we want to engage with. And the second part, we want to engage with academic application, especially for biomedical application. So we want to collaborate with a professor who want to deliver the regeneration medicine. Our customized service, we can separate in a different stage. In the stage 1, you can see in the articular example, You can take the DICOM file, we can do the prototyping, and we can do in the modification with the implant. So our ODM service, we can provide from raw material for prototyping and with our later verification with the product. Our company provides a medical grade filament we call Mefila, and we also provide a comprehensive medical implant prototyping service. So we have our FDA ready raw material, and we validate with our 3D printing system with animal study. We are ready to market, and we welcome all of you to visit us.
Bionics Lifestyle.
Welcome everyone, my name is Johnny and I'm from DigiSign Energy Tech. Our company was established in 2008 by our CEO, David Wu. Our headquarters is based in Taipei, Taiwan, and all our products are made in Taiwan through our factory in Kaohsiung. We currently employ around 80 staff members, and we have FDA, CE Medical, ISO certification. And today, we'll be talking about hearing aids. We have a hearing aid that pairs with our own in-house app, which is designed to be discreet. You will be able to do a hearing test directly through your smartphone for self-fitting and adjust according to your personalized audiogram. Currently, there are 6 famous brands, such as Siemens, that are working with Apple's iOS system, using their iOS platform to integrate their hearing aid with Apple's MFI program. With our newest development, in Taiwan, we are the only company that is certified by Apple's MFI program and is in full production of these hearing aids. By harnessing the advanced level of computing power from an iPhone, we use the audio streaming function to connect our hearing aid to receive phone calls, listen to music, and for video streaming purposes. We have different built-in preset modes to switch from depending on your hearing loss needs, such as mild and moderate hearing losses. Today we'll showcase on how to activate our smart hearing aid. So in order to activate it, we'll put in the battery for the hearing aids. From there on, we'll go to our iPhone and we'll go to Settings and scroll down till you find Accessibility. From Accessibility, you continue going down to find Hearing Devices. Click into that and it will automatically start pairing. Once paired, you can click into it and you can request it to be paired by Bluetooth. Click pair, click pair. Now both these hearing aids are paired to your iPhone. Now within this app, you will see that there's a lot of functions that you can use, from adjusting its volume to adjusting the different modes for the left ear and to the right ear. And you can also start a live listen session here. Now when you leave the app, you can swipe up directly and you will see that there is an icon for a shortcut. Click into the shortcut and there's a shortcut to show you the status of the hearing aids, from the battery of the left and the right ear to adjusting the microphone levels, as well as the modes that you can choose, and live listening. All right, so this would be our next device, And our next device would be pairing to our app. Now, we can do a hearing test right here. Click into it. And over here, you can see your audiogram input. And you can see your audiogram. Now, in order to take an audiogram test, we can do a tone test. Going into a tone test, this would show you the environment's dB, the noise that's in your environment. And going next. Here, it starts the audio test. So at this moment, we would have to put on our hearing aids and then hear for the tone. Now, for the time's sake, I'm going to go through this really quickly. Now, this is testing for the left ear, and now we're testing for the right ear. Now, once all the test has been done, it will output an audiogram for you, which you can save. All right. Once saved, you can go into Sound Enhancements, and you can choose the different modes that you would like to use. Now, holding on to the mode for 3 seconds, you can choose noise reduction level of the mode. You can choose if there's a low cut, if you need low cut, or MFA. All right? And there's also different modes that you can choose, from levels, bands, and more. In the near future, we hope to further our hearing aid integration with smart devices to make smart hearing aids more accessible and affordable for everyone that needs it. So from everyone here in DigiSign Energy Tech, thank you for your time.
Thanks DigiBionic Lifestyle for providing us such a good hearing aid solution. Huijia Health Life Technologies non-invasive monitoring smart care system for elderly and babies uses fiber optics based on info technology, earned the R&D 100 awards in 2017 that can track the first symptoms in the early stage of COVID-19. It tracks respiratory, heart rate, persistent coughs, and sleep quality by using 2mm thin film under pillow, which has high sensitivity and accuracy without electromagnetic waves. It provides remote and 24 hours monitoring, detection notifications, health reminders, and long-term records. Next, Huijia, the floor is yours.
Hi, I'm Jin Yang from Huijia Health Life Technology. Huijia is the smart care solution provider for elderly and babies. All over the world, people use smart technology and wearable devices for healthcare. As you know, babies and elderly don't really want to wear them or forget to wear them. And you may much more worry about electromagnetic wave on your babies and parents. At Huijia, we have a non-invasive smart care system based on info technology. It can detect the breathing, the heart rate, the sleep, the cold, and much more without wearing any devices. For baby and elderly care, the most concern is their safety and health. Who can take care of them? How about the care quality? Two big issues come along with aging population, shortage and caregiver, and insufficient care quality. The same issue come along with COVID-19. COVID-19 in care center are always very serious because they cannot explain themselves, and they usually have other disease that makes difficult to match symptoms. We use a smart care system based on our core technology info, NFOPT. We won many international awards, including R&D 100 Award, a PETA Award, and ECI Award. Info no electromagnetic wave because we use fiber optic sensor and their total reflection principle. The same is usually used in ICT industry to send data. Fiber optic sensor is very safe. It shows high temperature resistive, no spark, no static electricity, high sensitivity and accuracy. We can detect the breathing, the heart rate, the pulse, the blood pressure, the sleep, and many other vital signs. We measure breathing and heart rate in all posters in hospital. Our signal match 100% PSG result. Now, we are developing world first high-end medical equipment based on N4. First one, N4 can distinguish the type of sleep apnea without wearing any devices on any bed. Just put 2 mm sensor under the pillow and bed cover. The result have been published in medical journal. Second, world first, N4 is applied to continuous blood pressure detector without pumps and PPG. We also have already applied our technology to a lot of smart devices like smart mattress, smart cushion, smart floor, smart walker, smart DMS, and so on. We develop our smart care system to get big data from them. How smart care system can help in early stage of COVID-19, even without a fever, breathing change, and continued cold, help us to identify the COVID-19 in early stage. Our smart care system can know breathing symptoms at the first moment and monitor continuously. Especially when the elderly have other disease, the system can help to find out the change comparing with themselves. Smart care system can also help to protect the medical staff. It provides remote and 24 hours monitoring, instant detection, reduced contact, and reduced waste of medical resources. Our smart care system is easily used at home or in care center and hospital. It can 24 hours auto runs and provide the abnormal alarms. Our system allows infected or non-infected people to stay at home or isolation remotely. There are over 30 care centers and hospitals using smart care system for prevention of COVID-19 in Taiwan. We also hope to apply N4 to safety monitoring of vaccine and drug human experiments. The continued data can help to as a safety reference for emergency authorization. N4 became from a premature baby only 680 grams and was developed about 10 years. It is trusted. We are looking for international partners. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Huijia, for presenting the innovative solutions for healthcare. Leverage Biomedical, established in 2013, a subsidiary of Leverage Technology. Its core competitiveness includes the biomedical field, optoelectronic packaging, laser welding technology, and design integration. Its vision is to create a platform to let people physically healthy and mentally happy. And the long-term goal is to become a company enabling to provide full services of phototherapy. Now, welcome Leverage Biomedical.
Dr. Gao, the chairman of Leverage Biomedical, studied the LED phototherapy in medical beauty and finally established Leverage Biomedical in 2013. A subsidiary of Leverage Technology, and was allowed to enter the Hsinchu Biomedical Science Park. Our main products are divided into photochemistry and photophysics. Photochemistry includes ILIB, intravenous laser of irradiation of blood, and LED mask, LED biolight. Intravenous laser irradiations of blood, also known as blood irradiations or blood purifications of irradiations. It belongs to a kind of low-energy laser therapy. By using the optical fiber catheter to do the intravenous injections will help to improve the deformability of red blood cells, enhance the blood circulations, improve cellular oxygen utilizations, and repair damaged tissue. Also can help immunity regulation to reduce allergy disease in order to enhance the immunity ability. Intravenous laser, like a dripping, a small light hose pass through a soft needle to reach in the vein and directly contact the blood.
For physics, we have closed series and grid series. Heavy ion therapy can deliver sufficient damage to the target cancer while minimizing damage to healthy tissue. Contrarily, heavy ion therapy delivery system we call PBS, pencil beam scanning system. Our product suitable for pencil beam scanning system machine quality assurance include beam position and spot size variation, beam scanning speed variation, beam energy variation, and dose deviation. Our product advantage can measure all items with which one-time measurement to save physics measurement pencil beam scanning system QA time. Our advantage is easy and short time to set up our equipment and 3 minutes to finish all setup. We define different position and deliver it to our close mini to check pencil beam scanning system, beam position and spot size control accuracy, and summary report all results. We can use solid phantom we call PMMA wedge to check beam system depth dose distribution, and summary report all parameters include beam range and beam width. Before treatment, we can also use cross to verify pre-treatment patient-specific quality assurance. In this case, we check head and neck cancer patient with 32 layers.
Our long-term goal is to become a company able to provide full services of phototherapy. Under the trend of aging global population, our vision is to create a platform to let people physically healthy and mentally happy.
Medical team for the motivating address. Next, I'm pleased to invite MED Imaging Integration Solution. MED Imaging has been utilizing a profound optical systems and electrical technology foundation, combined with mechanical engineering, imaging processing, and software integrated system. The company integrates the resources of academic research and medical clinical results to provide medical digital imaging solutions. Welcome, MED Imaging.
Horoscope is our own brand name product. So we are not only developing our own products, we also developing the OEM product for our customer. And we are not only for development, we also have a group of team doing the registration to helping our product or our customer to get the certifications. We have CE, FDA, TFDA, that's all the free certification we will get for our own products. We also have certification for Japanese market, Korean market, even the Middle East market, we can do the certification for them. DSC 300, our latest model. After 10 years, we come out with our new model with a third platform. And we add up many new features in this control unit. For example, we have HDMI port and USB port, which you can do a live streaming on TV or your laptop. And with the old concept, same here, we can switch different lens. For example, this is otoscope, but it's very easy to switch to a demoscope. A touch on, this is demoscope. Our device is not only suitable for our lenses, but we also have one new concept, is device to device, which is with the Bluetooth, we can catch all the data from those vital sign Bluetooth devices. So after we have all the data in here, we can send out all the data with the photo upload to our cloud server with Wi-Fi. Now next, I'm going to present you our Icare Solutions. Our fundus camera is handheld, lightweight, and we support auto capture and auto focus, and also support lens changeable. Very easy to switch a lens to a slip lens. After you have the fundus image, you just pick up one you want. Then you insert this device, camera, into the DRV box. Then the DRV box will do the analysis. So a few seconds after, you will see the result come back on the screen. And this is support edge computing solutions. That means you don't have to have internet to do AI analyzing. You can do it locally. This is our handheld digital non-contact portable thermometer with air puff function. You don't have to touch the eye of the patient, and you can get the eye pressure from a patient. And we also have a function auto trigger. That means you can easily use to measurement the eye pressures. We are not a hardware manufacturer. We also doing the software, and this is our software to support the telemedicine. It is a cloud-based medical image management systems. That means in the B side, I can import the medical images into this system. For the A side, the doctor can do the diagnosis to see the images I just have. This is demonstration. So I just pick up a patient and doing a new check. Here I choose the auto import. This function, I can just easily took the photo, and it will be automatically import the image to the system. So after that, I just make a mark, then upload it. So right now I upload the image I just have. The doctor in the A side can do the diagnosis for my images. And also we embedded an AI solution. So I go to record and find out one of our founders' images. See here we have an icon called SC2. That means after I click this icon, this founder's image will send to our AI server. It will go through AI analyzing. Thank you for watching my presentation today. And if you are interested in Min's product, please contact us our email, and you can email to sales@mins.com.tw.
Thanks, Matt Imaging, for your incentive presentation. North Vision Tech is a professional design and manufacturing company for medical devices including patient monitor, pulse oximeter, ECG, and hydrogen and oxygen generator. The products have been certified by TFDA Taiwan, CE, and FDA 510K. The company looks forward to building close relationship around the world in the near future. Let's welcome North Vision Tech.
This is Albert. I am CEO of North Vision. Actually, North Vision is a professional medical design and manufacturing company located in Hsinchu Science Park. We are a professional medical design company. We have the product including patient monitor, oximeter, ECG, and PCR. All these products has been certified by TFDA and the CE. Also, the patient monitor has been certified by US FDA 510K. So I'm glad to introduce you all of our products in the following. Moreover, we have a brand new product, which is the hydrogen and the oxygen generator. And you may know that COVID-19 troubling all over the world. And this hydrogen and oxygen generator is a good devices to COVID-19. We believe it. I hope this product can become a very good and important product to you. And we hope we can have the opportunity to be your close partner. Hope this video that you can enjoy it. Thank you very much. This is our run-in chamber. Now you can see there are a lot of patient monitors. In this room, you can see two models here. The first model is a patient monitor, which have the NIBP, blood pressure, and oximeter function. So our tester, now they are looked at each device, the function is okay or not. And after their tuning, all the monitors will be put here to run in till everyone can be passed all the tests. And the second model you can see is a multi-parameter patient monitor, which have the NIBP, blood pressure, ECG, oximeter, and temperature. So everyone needed to pass the run-in so that after the product our customer receive them, it will be all okay. So to trust us, our product is very reliable. We have the strong engineering capability. Our engineer design the software and the firmware program. After they compile the program, then the program can be downloaded to the device. It's an embedded system. After that, the engineer will debug the board, just like now he is debugging the PC board. Through the scope, they can see if the signal can be properly working on the board. That is our engineering capability. This is our hydrogen and oxygen generator. Our engineers are working on it now. He is testing the current of how power of this machine function now. Through his mobile phone, he can read the value of the machine's parameters. And through this mobile phone, he can also set the parameter to the machine. All the working can be completed in the smartphone. We are North Vision. We are located in Hsinchu Science Park in Taiwan. We are a professional medical and bioelectronics device maker and provider. We like to be your close partner. Remember us, North Vision from Taiwan.
Thanks, Albert, for your in-depth sharing. Somnix is a medical device company that focuses on developing innovative technologies for the treatment of obstructive sleep apnea (OSA). Contrary to existing OSA treatment machine that uses continuous positive airway pressure (CPAP), Somnix product iNAP comes with revolutionary therapy system of applying negative pressure to oral cavity. Provides a simple, more comfortable, and discreet way that allows patients to breathe naturally during OSA treatment. Now we are pleased to have Somnix.
Somnix is a medical device company providing innovative sleep disorder solutions. Our main product, iNAP Sleep Therapy System, is the only negative pressure therapy for OSA in the world. Up to this moment, Somnix owns over 150 patents over 20 countries. This year, we just acquired FDA 510(k) clearance.
Obstructive sleep apnea is a condition in which breathing stops for a short period of time during sleep.
The North American market for obstructive sleep apnea is a massive opportunity, and 80% of the patients are under CPAP. CPAP is an $8 billion annual market spending with two main players, ResMed and Philips Respironics. Unfortunately, less than 50% of the patients are adherent to that treatment. That makes in 2020 about 9 million patients looking for alternate treatment, and that number is growing by 1 million every year.
Currently, CPAP is a popular solution for OSA. However, there are downsides causing poor compliance, especially breathing difficulties, bulky size, and noises, which leads patients to give up treatment. For products, we have two models, iNAP Lite and iNAP One. iNap1 is powered by 2 pieces of AA battery, lightweight and compact in size. The console only weighs 100 grams and so small to fit in almost any space. And iNap1 is the 2nd generation of iNap sleep therapy system, powered by a built-in lithium battery. Integrated console and container makes it even much easier to travel with.
Until now, people with sleep apnea had to forego a lot of things. But this is no longer the case. With iNap, you are entering a new era in sleep apnea treatment. Whether you are on business travel in a hotel or traveling around the world, iNap will accompany you safely and reliably through life. iNap creates a gentle vacuum in the oral cavity, stabilizes the tongue and soft tissues, and frees the airways, thus enabling uninterrupted sleep. Operation without mask, portable and rechargeable, excellent wearing comfort, discreet and quiet operation.
For the patient who cannot tolerate CPAP, iNap is the best alternative to CPAP. It is the first-line option for women or children who never receive any treatment.
The study results already forced me to implement this into my sleep study as follows, and for the following reasons. First, since this is an alternative treatment that doesn't harm a patient, it's similar to CPAP in the fact that the effect can be easily found out within one night, so that I have to offer it to my patients.
Our international clinical study team spent their effort to make everything meaningful. Even when the multi-center clinical study was completed, Somnix is still collecting data and information from market to make iNap better. In 2019, Somnix has completed a multi-center clinical study with outstanding results. This cross-nation study enrolled over 300 patients and took places mainly 9 sites in Germany, 2 in the US, and 2 in Taiwan. We're proud of Somnix's talented staff who made iNap honor with major design awards. Other than design awards, medical certification is a must to market it over the world. Up to this moment, Somnix has certifications for major markets including 510K, Medical CE, TGA, TFDA, and so on. Thanks to the clinical study team, we have published 11 journals and 28 conference papers. These publications also provide a strong backup for efficacy for certification requirements.
Somnix's vision is to build digital health solutions for diagnosis, treatment, and follow-up for sleep disorders. Our goal is to let the patient and their family sleep well wherever you are.
Sleep well wherever you are. Somnix, the revolution in sleep apnea treatment.
Somnix for bringing us new valuable technology and products which indeed solve respiratory arrest problems. The last but not least, following is the Skyla Corporation. Skyla belongs to the Light-On Corporation Group. It's dedicated to developing innovative medical devices focused on analyzers with versatile and multiplexing platforms for POCT of IVD. The company has been marketing to 54 countries globally and established more than 60 selling channels. Welcome, Skyla.
Skyla was started from 2011 as the BU under Light-On. Light-On is a very famous Taiwan IT company with a 46 years old history and 8 billion sales. Their customers are all famous IT companies like HP, Dell, Google, or Microsoft. We spin off from Light-On at 2018. With this big product, we do have some inherent capability, such as electronic engineering, mechanical engineering, optical engineering, and manufacturing automation. As an IBD player, during the past 9 years, we also developed another important capability, that is biochemical, include product design and manufacturing. And after 9 years, we also become an insider of IBD business. Till now, we have launched 2 products. The first is POCT chemical analyzer, and the second POCT immunoanalyzer. Total working unit around the world of these 2 products are about 7,000 units, covering from veterinary and human marketing. And some great products are also under preparation.
Skyla HB1 POC Clinical Chemistry Analyzer. The device includes patent-side testing features of microsample for test. Built-in centrifuge functions enable testing whole blood samples without pretreatment. Easy to operate, only 2 steps to perform a test. Step 1, sample injection. Step 2, press start icon to analyze. Get quantitative results within 15 minutes. And support HIS/LIS system to provide high-quality medical services. Skyla HB1 is a multifunctional model, combines biochemistry, immunoassay, and electrolyte test functions. Provides more than 30 test parameters, which brings diagnosis to renal, liver, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, metabolic syndrome, and so on. We also developed a variety of reagent panels in accordance of medical testing needs. With the cutting-edge technology of IIE, Intelligence Interference Eliminating System, use multiple wavelength LEDs and big data to eliminate the effect of sample leukemia, hemolysis, and icterus interference and provide high-accuracy results. Skyla HB1 provides the best choice for point-of-care testing. Skyla Solution. Skyla Solutions provide total solutions for veterinarian with all immunoassay and chemistry methodology and device. It also allows 3 specimens to be tested efficiently in one time. Wide temp working environment from 5 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. More than 40 test parameters, which meets diagnosis needs for veterinary hospitals. Walkaway operations. Iconic GUI, which easy to operate for non-professional person. And get results just within 5 to 15 minutes. With the cutting-edge technology of IIE, Intelligence Interference Eliminating System, use multiple wavelength LEDs and big data to eliminate the effect of sample leukemia, hemolysis, and icterus interference and provide high-accuracy results. Skyla Solutions offer total solutions for veterinarian, efficiency, simplicity, and accuracy.
And we believe, beside our own product with Taiwan IT infrastructure and our own capability, we are also a good platform to turn any idea into real product or even bring that into mass production. Skyla, turn your idea into real product.
Thanks Skyla striving to continuously create trustworthy products to meet worldwide healthcare demands. After having the brilliant presentation from the experts, we are going to enter the Q&A session. For those in front of the screen, please text your questions you may have in the chat box. Due to limited time, we will pick up 1 or 2 questions from the numerous questions to ask each presenters. Okay, for the first questions, we will go to Advanced Biomedical Technology, Inc. The question is, I'm interested in the polymers which you mentioned used in medical 3D printing. Can we get more detailed ingredients? And is it already used in Europe hospital? So may I have Mr. Bruce Chan, please?
Thank you for your question. Actually, our Mefila was delivered to Europe for about 6 months ago. So you can order online, and right now we have several academic and hospital animal study for testing to evaluate the possibility for medical device. So please go to check with our website, and we have a detail for you. Thank you.
Thank you for your answer. And the next question will go to DG Bionic Lifestyle. The question is, MFI series, is there any further data about the testing report for reference, like battery, product signal strength, signal to noise ratio, and compared to Europe, some international brand? So may I have Mr. Vicky Kumar, please?
First of all, I would like to thank Tiara for providing us a wonderful platform to share our technology to the world. And coming to the question, like here we use ICE, FCC, and telecom Japanese tests for our product. And we are using the latest technology of Bluetooth 5.0 that enable us 7-meter range. And we use rechargeable battery that provides us 150 hours of usage in single usage. And for the comparison between our product to the European market, we focus more on OTC, service over the counter, to provide a different experience for our consumer as unique and self-fitting and hassle-free performance. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Kumar. So we will go to the next question for Huijia Health Life Technology. It said, hi, I would like to know more about the accuracy of fiber optics base for the heart rate tracking. Really reliable? I mean, it's not wearable, but put under the film. So may I have Ms. Jin Young, please?
Thank you for your question. We have tests in hospital compared with PSG. We mean our info compared with ECG. No matter all poster, we can match the signals 100%. But because the algorithm is different, so some will little bit difference. So we can provide our report to you. It's an IRB already passed. Thank you.
Thank you, Jan. All right, so the next question will go to Leverage Biomedical, Inc. The question is, you mentioned about your semiconductor intravenous laser irradiation of blood can improve immune system. Is there any research can prove? So may I have Ms. Eugene, please?
Yes, there is a lot of medical journal paper online you can search, and how the IOIB to improve the aging problems or immune system, and like high blood pressure and diabetes, how the mechanisms to improve the six. And if you have any questions, you can leave your message or email to Tetrate, and we will reply you in details by email.
All right, thank you, Jan. So if anyone are interested in this one, you can feel free to send the email to the company. All right, so for the next question is go to Imaging Integrated Solution. It said, regarding the Wi-Fi digital camera, is there latency and interference and also distance issue? Also, some hospital can only allow Bluetooth. How is your product work in this area? So may I have Mr. Johnson to answer this question, please?
Oh, hi. For our new models, Model 300, the Wi-Fi function is only for transfer image data right now. But looks like your question is about the live streaming view. So if you want to do a live streaming view from our device to the computer or TV, then you can use the cable we provide in the package. And the second question is, you mentioned that if some area is not allow the Wi-Fi, actually you can still use the cable to transfer the image data or use a Wi-Fi dongle, and it's become a direct mode from our device, then send the data to a computer. It won't against the rule from the hospital. Yeah, thank you for your question.
All right, thank you, Johnson. And the next question will go to North Vision Tech. It said you just mentioned your multi-parameter patient monitor, not only ECG signal, but from AI calculation, we can provide the HRV. How much is multi-parameter patient monitor? Please send more detail like spec later. So may I have Mr. Albert, please?
Yes. I'm very glad to hear that you are interested in our product and ask about the cost, the price of this product. And as you may know, before the HRV machines, it's the HRV machine, the price almost equal to a patient monitor. But right now, we integrate HRV function into the patient monitor. And we like to provide a very comfortable price to you, only the patient monitor's price. And if you are really interested in the price, you may email us. I really like to provide you our very, to give you a very happy price on it. And the other one, regarding the specification, here to short that, in short, we have the function HRV including SDNN and total power, then sympathetic and the parasympathetic on it. So after the patients measure ECG signal for 5 minutes, then the HRV function will show on our patient monitor. That is a very short introduction of the HRV function. So thanks for your questions, and hope we can communicate the question more detailed by email. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Albert, for your detailed information. All right, so the question will go to Somnix Inc. The question is about negative pressure to oral cavity. May I know more about patents you have and countries already sold regarding usage? Is there any prevention to prevent shedding? So may I have Zhongzhu to answer this question, please?
Thanks for your questions. Our patents covers the fundamental method of using negative pressure within the oral cavity to stabilize your soft tissue. So it's very strong pattern. And we also have a lot of pattern to cover the design of the oral interface, the saliva container, a dry pad for the absorbent of the saliva, and we have a design of the pump. We also have advanced design of the oral interface, which is adjustable, customizable, and we have a newer design pump with adjustable pressure setting and automatic pressure control or biofeedback control. So right now, INAP is available in Taiwan, Australia, Hong Kong, and Singapore. After we complete our international study in Europe and United States, and after we just received FDA clearance, we are starting initial launch of INAP in Germany, and also preparing the launch in USA very soon. So regarding the usage, the negative pressure creating a suction which will stabilize not only the tissue, but also the oral interface to prevent it from falling out of your mouth. And we have adjustable pressure setting. A physician can increase the pressure to increase the fixation of the oral interface. And also the design of the oral interface with adjustable features that can increase the pressure distribution within your mouth and increase the fixation to prevent shielding. So thank you again. Yeah.
All right, thank you, Zhongzhu. The last question will go to Skyla Corporation. You said for veterinary biochemical immunoassay analyzer, can you customize to send data to background or integrate to other systems? Also customize to detect specific biochemistry or others. So may I have Terry and Harry to answer this question, please?
Yes, thank you for asking. The Skyla analyzers conforms to the protocol ASTM and HL7, which means all the testing results can be sent to the background, the personal computer, the LIS, and the HIS software. That's no problem. The second question is can we customize to detect the specific biochemistry markers? All the Skyla cartridge for the items, we are specific design to cooperate with our cartridge. So for any additional markers, so we need a kind of a cooperation together as the business partner. That's our answer. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you, Terry. The webinar is going to be ended. Thank you for joining us today. I hope this webinar brought you much information and you learned a lot about Taiwanese medical and healthcare industry. If you have any inquiries, you are welcome to visit the company's website and contact them directly. You are also welcome to contact your nearest Taiwan office, and we will be glad to assist you. In addition, please kindly fill out the questionnaire to get today's slides and company's contact information. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in future Taiwan webinars. Wish you to have a wonderful day.